Hello, Choro-Q collectors. We have Choro-Q standard number 18, and I am told by the internet this is called a Toyota Passo. This toy is from 2006. I've also come to realize this is a duplicate casting of something I already have. The only thing is, it's called a Daihatsu Boon. So, I didn't know about either car beforehand. But hey, anyways, we got some pictures of a Toyota Passo. There we go. It does look similar, that's for sure. Foreshortening. Alright, and then the tail lights. Pretty nice tail lights on this casting here. Alright, so it's a red. It's not a metallic though, it's just a regular red. We got some paint filling in some of the panel gaps there. But the windows have three-dimensional molding, standard 5-spoke ChoroQ wheels, silver headlights with a little bump on there, a nice white license plate, nice grills, unfortunately no paint, but that's an easy thing to add. And then I guess this is the Passo logo or something. I don't know. Not sure, I can't see on that front photo. The rear has a regular Toyota badge, but this doesn't have a badge at all. Alright, silver and red for the taillights, and then I don't know where the fuel filler is. I guess they skipped it on this guy. So Passo number 18. Was that a mint or something? Anyways, the toy says 06 on the bottom, standard construction, screw in a tab. So I'm gonna have to modify this. I will be back. So this time around I added some Hot Wheel Reel Riders. They're an interesting black mid-center with red chrome on the lips. That's the way they were from Hot Wheels. So here's the duplicate that I was talking about. This is a Daihatsu Boon. And you can see it's clearly the same car. It's rebadged, across a couple different brands. This one's nicer though. It has printing on the back as well. I added some black to the grills there, and I don't know what wheels those are, but I swapped those wheels out. I guess later on I'll add some black to this, but yeah. So if you can get either or, just go with, probably you probably want to go with that one, just for the details, but if you don't care about that so much, the Passo's alright, I guess. Alright, let's take a look at a couple other Toyotas. I have this Vitz racing car. And that's from the year 2000, that toy, it says on the bottom. I have a Celica LB. There we go, that's got some Hot Wheels Reel Riders. I have this thing called a Toyota Fun Cargo. Never knew about this one. I swapped in some Hot Wheels Reel Riders on that one as well. Let's see, I think of an early Prius. With some 3D printed wheels. I guess that'll do for today. So my Toyota collection grows yet more, even if by mistake. Alright, well, that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If not, we'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks.